Welcome back to the channel. What have we got ourselves into today? Today we have a little Hyundai Accent, and we've pulled a code P011, which I read on our code reader, and that's a crankshaft position sensor. We are going to change it today. This is the little replacement piece that we've purchased. That's exactly what it looks like, with a little electrical connection on the back side. For this job, we're going to need two little simple tools. We're going to need a 10mm socket on a little ratchet and a small straight blade screwdriver. And here we go. We're going to pull the engine cover off. The little control valve is right here. If you want to come up a little closer with the camera, we're going to pinch the side of that little electrical connector and wiggle it off. Oh, it came off just like a hot knife in butter. Now we're going to need to take our 10mm socket. Oh, there we go. And we're going to take that off by hand. We're going to be careful not to drop that little bolt. Okay, now we're going to pop this. Oh, look at that. It came right out of there. That's what we're taking out. Now I'm going to reach back over and I'm going to grab the new one. We're going to pop this baby back in there. You heard it snap right in there when the O-ring made contact. We'll put that little 10mm bolt back in again. We're going to lock this. A little snug. We better remember to put the little electrical connector back on. We're going to put our nice engine cover well, maybe we won't put it on for now. Let's come around and we're going to take a look at the code reader, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to erase that code. It's linking up to the vehicle now. There it is right there. We're going to erase codes. The erase is all done. This code reader's been plugged into the OBD2 port. This job was very simple. You can follow this right online and run your own codes and solve these problems. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like this, please press like and the subscribe button. Have a nice day.